Hello viewers, today we will be solving the IB Math AHL November 2024 paper 2 question number 4. You will be getting the solved first 3 questions of this paper and the other solved questions from the other past papers in form of playlist on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math AHL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve this question number 4. The maximum marked is 8. The following diagram shows the cross section of the roof of a house. The cross section is symmetrical about the vertical line. This is the vertical line through points A and E. And the gradient of BA, this is the BA line, is 7 over 12. So, but his question is find the size of angle BAE, this is the angle, expressing your answer in degrees. So, the gradient is given. What is the gradient? Gradient is nothing but tan theta. So, tan theta is equal to 7 over 12. So, which one is theta? If I drop this, if I'm extending this line E and I am drawing this horizontal line parallel to the x-axis, so let this point be say P. Okay, so this is a right angle. Okay, and this line BP is parallel to the x-axis. It is a horizontal line. So this angle will be theta. Okay, and the tan theta value is 7 over 12. And what is tan theta? What is the ratio tan? It is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is this side EP and the adjacent is this side BP. So it can be 7. I can take this as 7 and this as 12. It can be 14 and 24 also because this is a ratio. I am assuming that the multiplier is 1, so I am taking this as 7 and this as 12. Okay. The multiplier can be any number, not only 2. So, what we will be doing is we will be finding the value of theta, because theta plus this angle, if this angle is alpha, if this is alpha, then theta plus alpha should be equal to 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, so the other two angles, sum of the other two angles of this triangle BAP will be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so what will be theta equal to? Since the gradient of BA is equal to 7 over 12, therefore, from the triangle BAP, tan of angle ABP, which is theta, should be equal to 7 over 12. Okay. Therefore, angle ABP should be equal to tan inverse of 7 over 12. Now let us use the calculator. And this should be set to degrees. You should be careful about this. It should not be in radians because they are asking us to give the answer in degrees. Okay. So, tan inverse of 7 over 12. Enter. 30.2564. This is not the final answer, so I'll not be taking three significant figures value. So it is 30.2564 I am taking. Okay, 30.2564 degrees. 30.2564 degrees. Okay, and therefore angle BAP, or they have written BAE, so I am mentioning it as BAE. It is the same angle, this one. Angle BAE will be equal to 90 degrees minus 30.2564 degrees equal to, calculator, 90 minus the answer, enter, 59.7. Okay, let me take some more digits because maybe I'll be requiring this angle for Sapat B. So I'm writing 59.74356. Okay, 59.74356. 59.74356 degrees. Now we give the final answer. Therefore, angle BAE is equal to 59.7 degrees correct to three significant figures. Okay. A builder requires the lengths of the sides BA and CE. This is BA and this is CE. The builder has the following measurements. Angle ABC, this one, this is 90 degrees. Angle BCE, this is also 90 degrees. DC is 50 centimeters. BC is 30 centimeters. And DF is 700 centimeters. Okay. So, subpart B's question is fine. It is having two further subparts. The first subpart I, it is asking us to get the value, not the value, the measurement of CE, the side CE. Okay. So we are seeing that we know the length of CD. So we need the length of DE. CD plus DE will be equal to CE. Okay. So if I just extend this and let me name this point P. This is a right angle. And now I am considering this triangle DEP. Okay. So this angle P is a right angle. But along with that, we know another angle, this angle DEP. What is this equal to? See, these two angles, angle BAE and angle DEP, these two are corresponding angles because the line BA and the line CE, these two are parallel lines. Okay, and this line AP is the transversal. So these two angles are corresponding angles, hence they will be equal. So this angle DEP is equal to 59.74356. Okay, degrees. So since you should be drawing this you should be extending this E line so that you get the triangle DEP. Since angle BAE is equal to angle DEP, corresponding angles, Okay. Therefore, angle DEP is equal to 59.74356 degrees. Okay. And not only that, we know that this part DP should be equal to half of 700. So this should be equal to 350 centimeters. Okay. Because this roof is symmetrical, they had said. So therefore, also DP equal to 350 centimeters. Now we can find the value of or length of this side DE from the triangle DEP. If we consider the triangle DEP, then with respect to this angle DEP, this side will be the opposite side, this side will be the adjacent side, and this side will be the hypotenuse. Okay. So therefore, since we know this side and we need this side, we will be using the sine ratio. So 350, therefore 350, that is opposite, over hypotenuse, which is DE, should be equal to sine 59.74356 degrees. Okay. So DE will be equal to 350 divided by sine 59.74356 degrees. Okay. So DE should be equal to 350 divided by sine of the answer. It is 405.196. Okay, let us take 405.196. 405.196 centimeters. Therefore, CE, this one is actually we are answering the I, the first subpart of subpart B. Therefore, CE is equal to CD plus DE, which should be equal to 50 plus, for this I am taking only the three significant figures. So 405, which is equal to 455 centimeters correct to three significant figures. So now it is II. We have to find the side length BE. Okay. So for BE, if we draw a line parallel to this CB, assume this to be parallel to CB. So this is 90 degree. Maybe this is say M. Okay. So BCEM will be a rectangle because these two are parallel, BC and ME, and BM and CE, they are also parallel, and the angles are 90 degrees, each of them. So it is a rectangle. Okay. So therefore, 30 degrees, if the side length BC is 30 degrees, then the length of ME will also, sorry, not degrees, centimeters, then the ME will also be 30 centimeters. Okay. And we know this angle, it is 59.74356 degrees. So we, from this triangle AME, we are having this angle, we are having this 90 degree, and we are having this side length. And we need this AM because since we have got the length of CE, therefore CE will be equal to BM. Okay. So if we get this extra portion, that is AM, the side length AM, we can add BM plus AM to get the side length BA. Okay. So in order to get this length of ME, we will be using this triangle AME, and this angle E is this, having this value 59.74356 degrees, and ME is equal to 30 centimeters. Okay. So therefore, let me solve the BII over here. And what will be E? Should we be taking the sine or the cos or the tan? Which ratio should we be taking? With respect to this angle, EM is, sorry, this is adjacent, not opposite. This is adjacent because this side EM is touching this angle. And this side ME, it is opposite. And EE is the hypotenuse. Okay. So we know the opposite side length and we need the adjacent side length. Therefore, the ratio that we will be using is tan. Okay. So tan of 59.74356 degrees should be equal to 30 over EM. EM is equal to 30 over tan 59.74356 degrees, and we can use the calculator. It is 30 over tan 59.74356. It is 17.5. Okay. So I'm taking 17.5 centimeters for AM, equal to 17.5 centimeters. Okay. So therefore, BA is equal to BM plus EM equal to BM is equal to CE, which is 455 plus 17.5. BM is equal to CE. So this will be equal to 0.5, and this is 2 and this is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12, so it is 2 and carried 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4. 472.5 centimeters. Therefore, correct to three significant figures. BA is equal to 473 centimeters. Okay. Correct to three significant figures. So we have completed answering this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be helping me a lot. It will be motivating me. It will be telling the YouTube that my video is worth watching. So my video's reach will be increasing. The YouTube will be showing my video to more number of students. You will not only be helping me, you will be helping other students as well. And we meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving question number 5 of the same paper. Till then, bye.